I'm over here just jumping the gun. Wow. We got the strawberry cough. So when we cough, it's supposed to be fruity. We're gonna have to move at a slow pace. Okay, bad idea. Bugs immediately. Wow. Yeah, if you hear that noise, what I just did right there, that's because we're smoking, bro. We're smoking, bro. Okay. But look at the nice view, guys. Look at this view. It is amazing. And the
and then hopefully parents as well.
sorry about that. Sorry about that. Don't worry.
Watch out for the dog.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, that's so beautiful. Is that like a corgi?
I know. No, he's a half breed.
Oh.
He's half bulldog and half
He's one of those dogs I always see in the pictures.
Yeah, you
What's
would never
the
guess.
combination on that? How did that become about? You know,
I think somebody was trying to create one of those designer breeds.
Beautiful dog. Beautiful dog. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day, Patrick Star. Star. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Beautiful. It is so fucking beautiful, bro. Dude, imagine going to other countries though. Hey Jojo, by January, we want you to get yourself a freaking get on the list for the fucking passports, bro. I have a few things we need to get. One being a new bed. Sure. Yeah, Chad. We already bought the camping bed. We need to buy the camping tent for the Northern Lights trip next year. We're not gonna do it this year. We're gonna try to focus on stuff we really need, and yeah, because who knows? I might get a dog or like a cat maybe. But if I get a cat, like sure, like I'm scared the cat will run away. If I get a dog, kind of the same sense, but like dogs can be leashed. You know what I mean? Um, but it is a short stream today. Very much so.